Hi guys, it's Heather. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go over 8 different digital products that you guys can easily create and sell to make a passive income of $100 a day with. All these digital products, each category that I will go over. Like I said, guys, it's so easy to do. If you really put your elbow grease into it, create these products and sell them. You can sell them on Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, and there's so many different social medias that you can post these types of digital products on. Digital products are just one of the best ways to make a passive income in 2022 and any time. The digital world is such a growing and beautiful thing now that you guys can create a passive income stream with. And I'm going to go over the specific products today that I think you guys should be looking into, the sort of niches and categories that are unsaturated, that I think are just really great areas to start if you're looking to sell digital content online. Guys, with digital products, there are no production costs, there's low startup fees. You're relatively not paying much to start a digital store online nowadays, and you don't really have any upfront costs. You don't have any inventory with digital products. That's what makes it such a beautiful business model to create a passive income with. And that's why I love talking about it on my channel and sharing this information I've learned through my own research and also through things that I sell online. So here is just a quick video on 8 digital products that you guys can start on today and start generating that passive income stream for your future stores. So guys, the first digital content that you guys can sell online is digital planners. Now, let me tell you guys that digital planners is something that's been around for some time now, and it's just kind of picking up popularity as far as digital items go. With digital planners, you can actually print out the planners if you would like. You can make them A4 or A5 compatible or letter printing friendly. So when people purchase planners, they can't always print it as well, or they can use it digitally on their iPads or other devices. A lot of the times these digital planners are compatible with GoodNotes or Notability, and these are just really great digital assets that you guys can sell. Now, as far as digital assets goes, that's something that you own and you have a license to, you can use to your personal use. It really depends on the licenses that whoever is selling their item sells it with. So for digital planners, generally those are personal use digital assets that you have and that you can use. So it's really awesome to have a digital planner, especially if you're on the go a lot, and we are reducing waste with digital planners. You don't have to print your digital planners out. You can have it on your iPad or phone, and you can always check in on it and check mark what you need off your list. Maybe you could put a grocery list on your digital planner. There's just so many ways to use digital planners. There's specific niches where you can use digital planners, such as the workout niche, or maybe the wedding planning niche, or maybe the business niche. There's so many different reasons to use a digital planner, especially going forward where we're trying to reduce waste in the world. And the easiest way to reduce waste is by going digital and doing all of your planning digitally rather than printing out a bunch of paper. So guys, the next category that is a highly profitable digital product is wedding invitation templates or wedding card templates. And really any card templates. If you guys want to give gift card templates, maybe card templates for birthdays. There's so many different templates that you guys can create as far as weddings go, birthdays go, and you can make $100 a day on these type of templates. If you upload many templates on to Etsy, maybe Shopify, you can create a whole store over these templates, and you can also market these easily on TikTok, Instagram. There's so many places where you guys can really show your template creation skills and how other people can utilize your templates, and you can do walkthrough tutorials on your videos on how you created your wedding templates, how people can edit the templates, add in their names, add in whatever they want. And it's a step-by-step process for people who don't want to spend a lot on a company to create their wedding invitations for them. And instead on their own, they can create their own wedding invitations then they could go to Walgreens, CVS, or some other type of print company site and print out their own wedding invitations rather than spending an arm and a leg to get a whole back package deal from someone else. Alternatively, you guys could always sell wedding invitation personalized cards on your own Etsy stores as well, for people who don't want to go out there and do all this type of printing. And there's certain print on demand websites that you guys can use as well. I'll link it here and then down below for printing and how to set up those type of bulk order sites. So the third thing that you guys can do is you can do SVG and graphic sales. So SVGs are scalable vector graphics. And what these do for businesses specifically is you can purchase SVGs and graphics that you can use for your print on demand products. So if someone is just selling their SVG, which might be an already completed design for a print on demand business, then you can purchase it. You purchase the commercial use license or extended license for that specific graphic. That digital asset is given to that print on demand company that they can use and sell as many end products as they would like. And that goes for any type of business and any type of products you are creating. Even if you have a handmade business, you can purchase SVGs and templates or already made graphics for yourself and for your company to sell and reproduce. And you have that commercial use license and that digital asset. Now, one of the other cool things with SVGs and graphics is there are sites that you can sell on, such as Creative Fabrica, which is one of my favorite websites. I have a $1 trial down below for purchasing graphics if you do have a print-on-demand store or a handmade business as well. And then also Creative Market you can sell on. There's so many different sites that you can sell on, such as Etsy, Squarespace, wherever you want to sell your own graphics. If you have a really great art background and design background, you can create SVGs and graphics so easily and you can sell them. However, I will say this is a lower profit margin thing to sell, and you do have to put a lot of work into creating SVG stores. However, I have seen many very profitable stores on Etsy that have done hundreds of thousands of sales for just their designs, their SVGs, graphics that they have personally created and sell on Etsy for commercial use. So I think it's a really great place to go if you have a background in design and art. And I think it's really fun if you want to sell your artwork for commercial use for people who are looking for help in design and art. The fourth thing that you guys can sell is business templates and resources for businesses that can use your templates for their websites, thank you cards, really anything a business needs. You can create resources for a business. And by resources, I mean like website banner templates, or you can create website HTML coding. You can also create business card thank you templates for new businesses who need help in that area and just designing their own business cards. There's so many different templates and resources you can provide to businesses, and you can provide that in a packaged bundle as well. And again, you guys can sell this on Etsy, Squarespace. You can market it on TikTok. There's just so many areas that you guys can sell these items on. Guys, the fifth thing that you guys can create digitally is eBooks. And this is really easy nowadays to do, especially if you have a knowledge base in something that you are an expert in or you know a lot about. So for example, if you're really good at cooking and you have a recipe book that you want to publish, you can go on Amazon eBooks and self-publish a book. And there's plenty of other sites that you can self-publish a book on. However, Amazon eBooks is easier to kind of have that built-in audience that Amazon offers, and you can self-publish your book through Amazon eBooks and get royalties over time that can create a passive income of $100 a day with. Really, you guys can create a book on anything that you feel like you have a knowledge base on or want to share with the world. There's just so many different books that you can write, and there's so many different niches that you can go into as far as book writing goes. Alrighty guys, so my camera pooped out on me and the show must go on. So the sixth type of digital content that you can sell online is online courses. And this is one of the most increasing industries on the digital platforms that we see right now. One of the greatest parts of online course creation is if you have a passion in teaching and you have a knowledge base in something that people are struggling with, such as marketing, maybe playing guitar, maybe cooking. There's so many different areas and avenues that you guys can teach in. There's people who have made hundreds to thousands of dollars on teaching a course about hockey online. Or maybe if you are a workout instructor, you can do classes online as well and do online coaching through online courses. If you have a passion in teaching, this is a beautiful place to start, especially if you have a specific knowledge base in an area that most people do not. It's all about finding your niche nowadays and figuring out what you can teach and what you can actually share your knowledge on. And you guys can monetize that knowledge now. For me personally, this is something that I sell every single day and I make $100 plus per day on. That is online course sales. So I teach a course on Etsy with print on demand or Shopify with print on demand. And I teach people how to be successful with this specific business model. And I've gotten people plenty of sales. So I know my courses actually work. However, that's something that is very exciting with digital course creation is you can help others in whatever area that they want to be successful and what they want to be successful in. You just have to figure out what exactly your customer looks like, what your dream client looks like, and how to get them on the path to success on what they are looking to achieve. For example, for my specific type of course, I want to get people their first sale and I want to create a scalable store for their sales. And there's a few methods that I know that work for me that are proven to work, and that's what I teach. So again, guys, I do offer a free Etsy plus print on demand course on my website. So click the links below for that free course if you guys are interested in that. But the seventh type of digital content that you can sell is social media templates. And there's so many different types of social media out there now that you guys can create templates for. Specifically, for example, YouTube. There's so many people looking for YouTube thumbnail templates. So you can sell that and you can sell it on Etsy. You can sell it on Squarespace. You can sell it on Shopify. You can also sell Instagram templates. And I've seen many bundle deals for aesthetically pleasing Instagram templates that help new business creators or social media creators keep their specific aesthetic throughout their Instagram feed, throughout all the Instagram posts they make. And it really makes it easy for creators to just take a template, edit it, drop in their photos, drop in specific elements from those templates, and keep that specific aesthetic they're looking for on their social media accounts. Along with that, you can do TikTok video templates now. You can do Instagram reel templates. And this is perfect for business social media accounts, especially if you're selling t-shirts, sweatshirts, certain types of mock-ups for mugs maybe. You can just drop in your specific video mock-ups or maybe things that you have filmed personally, and there's already overlaid text on sale prices. Maybe there's overlaid text on certain benefits of whatever product or service that you sell. There's just so many different type of social media templates that you can sell online now. And it's really as simple as selling them on Etsy and giving people that digital templates and files that they can create their own designs in and they can create their own products in. So the eighth type of digital product that you can sell is digital mock-ups or stock photos. And I've mentioned this in my last passive income video, but this is honestly such a growing industry right now. It's very needed and wanted as far as print on demand sellers go. I'm a print on demand seller. I sell on Shopify and I sell on Etsy. And one of the things that I am always looking for is new digital mock-ups for t-shirts and sweatshirts. Now, for example, digital mock-ups is as simple as taking a picture of yourself in a blank t-shirt that a print on demand provider uses and selling it, labeling it, and titling it as a mock-up for whatever specific type of t-shirt you're wearing. For example, one of the most sold t-shirts for print on demand is the Bell on Canvas 3001. And if you go through Etsy and the digital mock-up world, there are hundreds of different people posing in the Bell on Canvas 3001 t-shirts. Also, you can do flat lays, you can do hanging types of t-shirts. There's so many different ways you can model a t-shirt mock-up and sell it on your own digital store. And you can make a passive income of $100 a day doing this, because you can sell these digital mock-ups for as low as $1 to $10. And I've seen people sell bundle deals, $25 to $40 for 10 plus mock-ups together, and package deal for their customers. So this is just such a growing industry now that we have print on demand, we have drop shipping, and these are types of business models that in the future we're going to see so much more of. So if you're not in the digital mock-up industry, so guys, if you have a really nice camera, this is just a really great industry to go into, because all you need is high quality photography of flat lay t-shirts, maybe yourself in a t-shirt, maybe someone else in a t-shirt, and you can sell these photos and get paid for your stock images basically. And on top of that, if you have a really nice camera, you can also just take photos of random things, maybe nature, maybe a city, maybe a landscape, and you can sell this on sites such as Adobe Stock or Creative Market, Creative Fabrica. There's so many other places that you can sell your photos to. And if you're really good with photography, this is a great industry to go in to make a passive income. You can make as little as 30 cents per stock photo you sell, up to $500 per stock photo. There's certain stock photos that are sold for $500, and I know that's a wild number, but people actually sell stock photos for hundreds of dollars. And the reason why is because you can sell your stock photos for a extended license use. Extended license use means that a company can use your photos for their website banners, for their maybe business cards, maybe they're selling pamphlets, maybe they are reusing your stock photos for commercial use, and you have a certain number of times that they can use it without you having to charge extra for them using your specific stock photos. So the world of stock photos is something that I haven't heard many YouTubers talk about, and I haven't heard many people talk about, but it's such a great and growing industry if you do have a high quality camera that you can take these very nice photos. And on top of that, if you have a really nice camera, the other benefit is, again, you guys can sell digital mock-ups, and it can be as simple as taking pictures of mugs on really nice pillow backgrounds or blanket backgrounds or wood backgrounds. There's just so many different areas that you guys can go into as far as digital products and digital mock-ups go. On top of that, guys, I've seen people make a full-time income off of selling digital mock-ups. And I'm not even kidding you guys. If you guys go on the top digital mock-up stores on Etsy, a lot of those stores make about 10,000 sales a year on digital mock-ups that they're selling for $1 to $10 each. And I have heard from these stores specifically, they have mentioned they do make thousands of dollars in a full-time income that they can quit their day job with. And again, guys, that's what my channel is about. That's what I share on my channel, is different ways to make an additional income or maybe a full-time income if you really do need it. And these are just ways that anyone can do this if you have the tools and resources at your fingertips. So if you have a really nice camera, this is a great industry to go into. And then on top of that, if maybe you don't have a very nice camera, maybe all you have is your phone. With print on demand and Etsy or print on demand and Shopify, you can do most of your designing on your phone. You can do most of your mock-ups and really anything on your phone now too. If you don't have a laptop, if you don't have an iPad or nice design software, there's so many other avenues that you can go with digital products and sales. And on top of that, you don't have to do just digital products. You could do print on demand like I have, and I have a bunch of other videos over that as well. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on that notification bell to get notified for my next video. And I hope this helped some of you guys looking to make a passive income online, maybe additional side income. And I hope that this gives some people ideas on how to make a different stream of income, especially if you really need it, or maybe you want to eventually have multiple passive income streams over time. There's so many ways to do that. And if you guys want any more ideas, tips, or tricks, definitely check out my YouTube channel. Fight in the comments on who's the #1 POD friend. I would love to know, guys. Don't forget to comment below with any questions that you guys may have, and check out my other videos. I will see you all in the next video here.